The 41 Ford is owned by Aaron Farmer, but boy, that's not Aaron behind the wheel. Behind the wheel is Bill Gooden's driving that little Ford pickup, but that's the Aaron Farmer 41 Ford on the hill. Let's see who gets a better time on this one, Jim. Bill was trying something there. I don't know what it was, but he took off a little different than that car normally takes off. I think they're trying to see what it'll do without spinning the tires. He may have a